Welcome to my coding channel, Coding Learner. This is C++ tutorial lecture number 4. In this video, we have to do some examples on recursion. First question is to reverse the string using recursion. Second, we have to remove all the duplicates from the string like A, B, B, C, C. We have two uh, required output like A, B, and C. Question third, move all x to the end of the string. All the x present in the string, we have to move it to the end of the string. And last, place pi with 3.14. We have to move forward, and our first question is to reverse the string. So this is the sample what we are doing in the program. We take u as an input string, then we call our function for string u, and we have to save ou in the rest, and we call the function for ou as a input string, and then we have to save u in the rest, and then we have to call the function for u as a input string. Now our main string doesn't have any variable. Now we have to return. Now what was happening here? We have to print u, and then o, and then o, and then u. So that's it. We got u, o, and y as a output. Now we have to do our code. So first we have to define a function. Return type would be void, and function name will be reverse. It contains string. It has parameter string as, and our base case will be if s dot length is equals to 0, then return. That's it. Now if it is not 0, we have to save rest from the string where s dot sub str will be 1. First we have to give data type string to the rest, and we have to call function for rest, which is reverse rest. Now we have to print our string 0th variable. That's it about the function recursion. And then we have to move our int main. In int main, we have to reverse our string as u, return 0. That's it. Now we have to run the program. What we get, o u o y. That's it about first question. Now we have to move forward. So our second question will be to remove all the duplicate from the string using recursion. So first we have to define a function which return value as string, and our function name will be remove tub, and it has parameter string as. Then our base case will be if as dot length function is equals to 0, then return 0, then return empty string. That's it. Now we have to move forward. First we have to declare a char variable name as ch, which contain our string first 0th alphabet. Now we have to call our function for recursion, so we have to declare string which has reverse to function, and now we have to pass the rest of the string rather than 0th element of the string. So we have a function s dot sub str1. Then we have to check if ch is equals to answer's first element. If it is that, return answer as it is. And it's not, if it is not, else statement will be there which return ch plus answer. So that's it. From we have one error which will be name of the function remove the. Now we have a main function int main which call our function cout will be remove dup. Let's take string as a b b c. That's it. Return 0. Now we have to run the program. Let's see what we get. ABC. That's it. Let's remove all the duplicate of A, B and C. Now what was happening here? We call a function for string AABBC. Then here S will be AABBC. Now it's check if it is empty. No, it's not. Then we have to move forward. R in this case ch will be A for the first string of AABBC. Now we have our answer variable. Now answer will contain A, B, B and C. Now again it calls the remove dup function, and now S will be A, B, B, C, and here we have another ch value which is A. Now what we have as answer now will be BBC. Now we have to call substring as BBC. Now a value of S will be BBC. Now we have it's check always it check if S dot length is equals to 0, it return empty. Now we have to move forward. Now ch value will be B, and again we have answer B and C. Now our S value will be B and C. Now we have another zeroth element of the string, which is B. Now ch will be B, and the answer will be C. Now our S will be C. Now what was happening here? We take AAB as a string. Now we have to pass it, remove DUP. Now we have S will be AAB. It is not empty right now, so we have to move forward. Now CH will be the first element of the zeroth element of the string, which is A. Now we have ch is equals to A. Then we have to move forward. We have answer, in which it contains the return value of function removed up, in which we have to pass the string rather than the zeroth element. The rest of the string we have to pass in it. Now we have AB as the parameter of a function. Now S will be AB. It's check. No, it is not 0 right now. It is not empty right now. Next we have to save ch value. Ch value will be A, because it is the zeroth element of our string. Now we have another answer, which contains just call function for string B. Now here we got B. Now we have, no, it is not empty right now. We have to move forward. Ch will be now B. What now? I removed the contains past the empty string. Now S will be empty. It returns empty string. What was happening here? It reverts back from the function. First is check answer, which is empty answer, and our last value of ch will be B. They both are not same, so it return B plus empty. Now it will be B. Now we have another case B and A. They both are different. Now it return B plus A. A plus B. A plus B. A is this value of ch and B is the value of answer. Now we have to move forward. Now we have answer as A, B, and ch value will be A. It's check if ch value is equals to the string zeroth element, which is A. If it is equal, then it return answer, which is A, B. So that's it. That's how we got A, B. The value of x at the end of the string. Let's take string as this, and then we have to gain output as this, in which all the x is aligned at the end of the string. Now what we are doing here, first we save our string zeroth element in ch, and then we have to call the rest. Now we have to call and now we have to call function again to the rest of the string, and it's check if ch is equals to x, then it align at the end of the string, and if it is not, it put in the same order. Now we have to code. Now what we have to write here, first we have to define a function which has return type string. Our function name is and x, in which we have parameter string s. If s dot length is equals to 0, then return empty. Now we have to move forward. Char ch is equals to string zeroth element, and now we have to call a function to the rest of the string, in which first we have to save it in variable name as answer and x. Now we have s dot s sub str from first. Now we have to check if ch is equals to x equals to x, equals to x, it is that, then we have to return answer plus ch, and if it is not, then we have to align it as it is, return ch plus answer. Answer will be the rest of the string. Now we have int main, which we have to call a function cout statement. Obviously it contains a cout statement because we have return type as a string. Now we have to call a function and x, take string as this, which is already taken, return 0. That's it. Now we have to call the function. Let's see what we have as an output. So that's it. We get this as an output, in which all the x's are aligned at the end of the string, and the order of the rest of the variable are same. Now we have to move forward. Our question number 4 will be to replace pi with 3.14. So this is our input string, and what we get this. So what we are doing here is, first we check string zeroth element and then one first element. If they both are p and I, then we have to replace it by 3.14, and the rest of the string we have to call the function again. So we have to code right now. First we have to define a function replace p in which it contains string s. First we have our base case. If s dot length is equals to 0, then return. If it is not, we have to move forward. If s zeroth element is equals to p and s first element is equals to I, then print 3.14. And if it is not, we check the rest of the. If it is, then we have to check the rest of the string by calling the function again replace p. The rest of the string will be s dot sub str1. So that's it. If p and I is this, then we have out 3.14 and the rest of the string is checked again by using the function. Else, if it is not, then we have to check for second element. The first zeroth element will be p and one element will be I. So we have to move from the second element of the string. So if it is not, then we have to print the zeroth element of the string and we call again function replace p in which it contain s dot sub str will be 1. Now we have to move our main function main in which we have call replace p by using a string. What is our string is this is our string. We have to put it here. Let's see what we get. Return 0. We run the program. So that's it. We got our desired output.